Welcome back, Happy New Year to 2021. I want to kick off closing bell in advance to everyone to say it, have a very Happy New Year, and also what I think the market will react in the first week of January. But firstly, I want to kick off with two charting analysis today. Firstly, it's going to be about the great Bitcoin and also Russell 2000, the small cap companies, which I think will do well at the start of January. So let's start with Bitcoin. The fiasco, the dynamic, the activities on Bitcoin has been really catching the trains. Even on YouTube, YouTubers, technology YouTubers, reviewers have got nothing to say, and they're all talking about Bitcoin. They're all wanting to trade on Bitcoin and telling us how they miss. But me today, I'm going to be sharing my charting analysis to see if you want to buy or not. Just to cut to the chase, I think Bitcoin will hit $40,000 around about end of January or early February. So there's still room to run. They're sitting about $34,000 just now. I'm on my etoro. You can click on the link below and follow me. etoro, I've been trading Bitcoin over since Christmas and New Year. I've been making good gains, about 15 to 18%. Growing my portfolio with Bitcoin is quite volatile, but it's quite excitingly dangerous. So I am bringing this chart here on Bitcoin. For those who have followed me, you have followed my technical analysis, this video here on how I use Yahoo Finance to chart my data. But for this one, I'm going to tweak it a bit different because remember, Bitcoin works it works 24/7. So I need to tweak. So before I go into the details, you must tweak your RSI to 7 days. And also your stochastic, bring it down to 3 days. And also your interval, bring it to 4 hours. I do not swing on an hourly basis. I swing on the daily or weekly basis to buy low and sell high. That's what I've been doing. So as you can see on the chart, once you've done the tweaks which I told you on the presentation slide beside, then we are ready to go. So as we stand, I noticed that RSI, when it hits 64, it's a good time to buy, and combination of the stochastic going around about the 36 mark. As you can see, I tried to plot where all the minor dips are, and this is the time to buy. And the time to sell is when the RSI goes beyond above 80, and give it a bit of time, but 81, 82, and also stochastic beyond 80 based on the 7 and 3 days figure as I've shown you today. So there's buy and sell, but then don't do it on the daily basis. I do almost weekly. I buy on the low, which I think when it rallies all the way high and the RSI is hitting real high, that's my first indicator. Think wait, let go, boom, then you will drop back down and rebuy again. So that's how to trade Bitcoin on a bull market. So as I see, it's a good time. I've just gone in on my eToro. I put another 2% of my portfolio into eToro to buy some Bitcoin, and I think it's going to start swinging back on the reverse up when the market opens, or at least somewhere beyond towards the end of this week. So Bitcoin, I think the next stop they'll be hitting will be $36,000, and then they'll start up and down, fall again. People will be taking profits, falling off. But the next three stops will be 36, 38, and 40.5. And after 40, I don't even know what's going to happen, but I will most likely hold until then, swing all the way 40, take profit and wait for it to fall. I'm hoping for a big fall at 40 because they're going up too high, too fast in such a short manner of time. But for now, the next main stop, the destination they're looking is at $40 a share. So be careful, trade Bitcoin only if you know, but if you do struggle, you can always copy me on eToro, copy portfolio. Just do not click open trades, just copy me directly, don't click open trades, and then you can see and swing trade. I'll do the swing trade and you can get the gains. Hopefully I get the gains. So the next one that I'm interested in is iShare Russell 2000 ETF. It's basically the small cap companies in the US index. So small cap companies, I feel, will be the next in line to get the gains, because smaller cap companies with digitization, digital transformation, and also recovery stocks coming on. So I think Russell 2000 are being oversold or will be oversold before we can start buying it, and there will be better gains compared to the hyper growth or mega cap stocks. So if you go on the Yahoo Finance iShare Russell 2000 ETF, as you can see here, which I think it's going upwards, but as you can see, you need to go onto my analysis to plot your Yahoo Finance first on 14-day, both stochastic and also moving day average of 50. As you can see, they're on a bullish trend, but then it's starting to swing up and down. But I think for 2020, at least for the first half, Russell 2000 will be on an upwards trend. So as you can see, my buy point will be if they go as low as round about 50 on RSI, round about as low as 20 or 22 on the stochastic. That's time to buy. So it's starting to come down just now, so be prepared. On eToro, I've already put put a token in, or I put a starting position in, and then if I want to see if they can average downwards before it goes back upwards. So Russell 2000 is something that's interesting with small caps, as we've seen in the UK. All the small cap stocks on recovery on vaccine have done really well compared to the big cap and mid cap stocks. So I think the same will happen in the US for Russell 2000, and that's my thesis, and that's what I am monitoring, and hopefully we can get some gains from swinging these trades and making this a move. Because I think individual stock picking is really vague for now, because everybody's on a reset, everybody's on a restart. As you can see, the likes of Tesla, Nvidia, all the hypergrowth, CrowdStrike, all these big cap Shopify stocks, they're all on a reset. Everyone's sitting still, waiting to see what happens, because they're all priced in for a good Q4 earnings, which should be coming out in the end of January and beginning of February. So there's no point buying those stocks at a really high peak. So time to go for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and also Russell 2000. It's what I'm interested in just now in the beginning of January. So hopefully you enjoy this. So hopefully to see you tomorrow at the proper start of closing bell. And I will just sign off just now. Do click like, subscribe, and also I'll be sharing loads of stuff on my eToro. I'll be sharing stuff on short stories. I'll be sharing stuff on potential upcoming changes for the earnings. So hopefully see you in future videos, and do not miss this, or else you're not gonna get the gains. Take care. Bye.